Hey guys, you remember when I bought my Rolex and I made a video about watch collecting me? I told you that we are in the future going to visit a cave. Well, the cave video is here. You are very welcome to come with me. Caves, what do you say? The place where we are going, the caves are in like a mountain made out of sandstone, and probably the caves are made by human. How many hundreds or thousands years ago, no one knows, but as late as 1930s someone has been living in those caves. Actually, there was like some kind of farmer with his family who was living there because he had no money for a real house, whatever. And even later there was some guy who moved there and lived there, and he was like taking it for himself, the whole cave system, and then he was charging an entrance fee for the people who wanted to visit the caves. And then the village or the city had enough of him and they were throwing him out. Yeah, let's see what happens to me. Okay guys, we are in the location, actually at the parking place. I'm just telling you that there's a really shady looking van over there, and there came out a really shady looking guy with a shady looking dog, both really skinny, and the guy was wearing really raggedy clothes. I'm having second thoughts about parking here tonight, so I'm probably going to find us a parking place somewhere a little bit further away. And yeah, because that guy is living here. That camper van hasn't moved an inch in weeks at least. Okay, all right. I was driving to the other side of the mountain. From here we have a longer walk to the caves, but here's no one else. Weather seemed to be pretty cool, blue skies, as you can see. Now we just have to get up this hill. I can already see that the hills and the cliffs here, they really seem to be that kind of material which is rather easy to work on if you need to duck yourself a home, for example. Cute little squirrel. Yeah. I'm not doing anything. This hill is killing me. I hope that this path will take us to the caves. It might also be that this trail is going and being on the top of the ridge, and the caves are down there, which would totally make sense that the caves are on the sunny side of the hill. Let's check this out. Yeah, there are still quite lots of people here walking their dogs, checking at the caves. Oh yeah, I'm not suspicious. Maybe only because of my big rucksack. This kind of It really is a sand and stone and sand. Interesting geological forms. And people have been carving their names and whatnot here. You know, hearts and so on. Yeah. Oh, I must be careful here. Quite steep. Going down. Oh yeah, we are coming to the caves. You know, I can just dust off this sand from here. Really cool. And here are like overhangs. Sure, there is always a risk that something is coming down. And this seems to be like a place where local kids are hanging around. So many sand graffitis here. But it's awesome. I have never seen anything like this before. Yeah, here we go. Oh, first cave. This is already a cave. Wow. There's like an entrance or exit to the other one, other side. Here also, the ceiling you can also like see. You can just scratch it off. Here, it's like a ledge and a balcony. That would be a cool place to stay overnight. Okay, now it's going down. Whoa, 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 whoa. What do we got here? Is this cool or is this cool? This is like a room. There's a door. So obviously this door is something what they also lock, but now it's open. Another room. This must be the place where someone has been living. Oh. The roof is a little bit too low for me. Another room. You can see these rooms are really man-made. And here, oh, here is the exit to the other side. Wow. So, I went like, I don't know, 100 meters there inside the mountain. It seems to be okay. If I was in the basement before, now we are on the balcony. Here must be another one. Yes. Oh. What are these small holes? Are they like bee holes or termites? Oh, spiders. Here is another room. It's pretty okay. It's pretty okay because I'm having something against the insects. Not only my spray, but you can think I'm crazy now. I'm having my mosquito net with me. Look at the view though. Beautiful. Winterlandia. You know, in a place like this, there might all the time be like something dropping down. And if it drops from up there in 10 meters, it's painful. Or then not. But if it drops only like from 2.5 meters, it's not that bad. If you look exactly, there are like spiders all around this place in each of those holes. Oh. Yeah, I know. You must overcome your fears. And this might be the therapy for me. And those spiders, you know, they are like basically, you know, nothing. This place is cool. I got my table with me. So let's be civilized. All right, we got the table here. We got the chair. What next? What's next? I really like this sleeping pad of Mountain Equipment. The only downside is this pump sack, which is like really small. There it goes. There it goes down. The last rays of sun. Let the darkness come. I hope it holds. There was just some guy walking past me, so I had to open the step to make him think.
I'm here just some kid drinking. Cheers everybody, cheers. By the way, today's step 2 is Lapin kulta. And it's good. I hope he heard me opening the step 2. Normally I don't do this, but now it's better that they think that here are some kids drinking than some YouTuber camping. My own princess bed. Cheers everyone. Cheers. Oh yeah. Still a bit shocked about that one guy. He was quite big. I don't know, in his 50s maybe. Maybe he had eyeglasses, grayish hair. He looked a bit like Jeffrey Dahmer would be in this day and age. What am I thinking about? It was just some random dude walking by. There's someone coming. So we're like, we're just, I'm showing myself, not that he's coming here. And if he is coming here, then he is. There are two people. I don't know. Just don't come here. Don't come here. See me being here. Don't come. It's like they went down to the basement. I hope they're not coming up here. If they do, they fucking do. Come. Yeah. And I thought that the spiders will be my only problem. No, it's always the people. It's always the people, especially this close to a village. We might maybe cook something. There's just that dog in the house nearby, barking every now and then. I don't know if he's barking at me or if he's barking something else. Yeah. On the other hand, come to think of it, let's make some evening tea. time to enjoy a cup of hot tea. Yes, good one, good one. I really have to be careful because of the light. People can see me from many kilometers away, other side of the valley. Because I'm in the highest cave here right now. But of course the one side is open. So I'm turning off the light. I'm here, laying on the ground, on the sleeping pad. Got my mosquito net around me. It gives me a very thin layer of security. Let's try to get some sleep now. And see you guys in the morning. Good night. I wasn't sleeping almost the whole night, and now, like, I don't know, 5:15 or something, I fell asleep, and now 6 o'clock my alarm went off, and yes, good morning everyone, good morning. I'm just having some small appetizers. These cucumbers. Pretty okay. With this pepper, I'm sending my greetings to Miss Lingonberry. She has been like growing these on our balcony the whole summer long, and this is what we got. I think it's not supposed to even be any bigger, but it's a really good taste. It's like a bell pepper in a snack size. Reminds me of Star Wars. You know, that place where Obi-Wan Kenobi.
Hello there. Now that's a name I've not heard in a long time. A long time.
Or Ben Kenobi was living where the sand people were attacking. Well, there were no sand people here, luckily. Maybe I'm the sand person here. The tea water takes always such a long time when it should come like quickly. But yeah, no panic. I mean, more or less all the evidence which is showing that I have spent overnight here is packed. So we're good. We're okay. The autumn is coming. The autumn is behind the door because there are no birds singing. And that's a bit sad. These caves here These are called heathen holes or heathen caves. And of course, the name heathen caves comes from the time before Christianity. That means that the names were given because they knew that these are older than the Christianity. There's also a theory that there were like criminals and bad people living in these caves. But yeah, who knows? Nowadays would be a perfect hiding spot for anyone who would like to stay out from the reach of the long arm of the law.
Good morning. Good morning.
Got everything cleaned. All okay. That's it this time. I would like to thank you for coming with me to this cave stealth camping episode. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please do that. Put the thumbs up. That's the way we show YouTube that this content is worth watching. And without further ado, see you next time somewhere outside. Ciao!